Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a menu in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unwin it. Right now here we can see no menu is available in my website. Now let's see how to create a new menu. So open your website and then click on customize and click on menus, create new menu and give here your menu name. I'm giving here main menu and then select your menu location. I'm selecting primary menu. Next, and now click on add items, and from here I'm selecting blog, contact, about and sample page, and then click on publish. And then here we can see menu has been added. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.